What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So we're here at Atlanta Dragway. Welcome back to the 10-0 index. Quite a bit out of my league, but we got a badass little G8 to run. Hopefully all goes well and I go to the next round. Second round of the 10-0 index.
We got our stick shift guys coming at you right now.
Which we're racing a very badass Cadillac, you know, simple mods, but still, you know, you do the right things to any car nowadays, you get pretty fast. So I think it's a 9-second capable car. Hopefully I tree him extremely bad and he breaks out. That's about the only chance I got right now. Mean-ass Cadillac. I'm not even gonna lie, he chopped the tree down damn good. Well, at least we're still in the 11-0 class.
Yeah. 1326 for the win with nobody in. What's in this thing? This thing's pretty badass. Yeah. Fuck, damn header sticking up.
Yeah, it's loud as crap.
Yeah. Yeah, let me know when you're gonna fire this thing up, man. I'm gonna get the back. I got the Tesla.
This is like old versus new.
Yeah, I know. This is fucking gangster right here.
Yeah, it is.
Next fight,
alcohol right here.
Yeah.
40 bucks.
Do what?
40 bucks.
You want to race 40 bucks?
Another heads up class 11-0.
See if I got 40 bucks.
Trying to get closest to without going under. 11.00 seconds on the quarter mile.
I got 40 bucks. You want to lock it in? Hey, I'll see you at the end of the track. Cleetus! Oh hell, man! I'm trying to get gap, brother.
I got Justin's ZL1.
Oh hell!
It's a brand new ZL1.
That sounds fun. Yeah. I gotta race this old gangster looking fucker. Yep.
So, of course, there's so many people in the class, they can't really draw chips in time, so we're just kind of racing who we're beside. So maybe I'll pull a chip for him next round or something like that. But
The greatest it's going to get, partner. 2-second reaction time.
669 in the 8th mile. Go as fast as he wants. He goes 10:58.
The one that's I'm pretty sure that's mine. Yes. Damn it. All right, what was your name? I gotta keep it. Oh, he dropped it. Hey, what was your name? Buddy. All right, so Buddy.
Well, we got a race to make it to the next round.
And whose name was it that I didn't
Who got
have?
the one?
Hey, you got him.
Woo!
Oh, shit.
Do it for Dale.
All right, who got the one? Oh,
Man.
Oh, man, you better not lose that thing.
I know.
No,
He gets lane choice.
You win.
So
So
Me too.
And 4 mile under pressure.
They light that second pair of yellow lights on top of the tree.
Man, that was close as hell. I thought he was gonna catch up to me. I let off too much.
I think you were ahead of him still.
I
You
was.
just treated him too,
Yeah, I was ahead by maybe half a car or so, but I got the tree and that saved my ass right there.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I heard him
11:0.
11:05 with a 2. His 1097, so he would have had to break out to catch me to get ahead of me.
Yeah.
But yeah, I heard him say on the radio he sucks. He got beat, but he looks like he got his 1090.
This is his first 10 in that car.
That's pretty dope.
Justin's car, at least.
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
On the next round.
Thank you, man.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Of course not. I ain't done that. That's hard. It's hard to jump on a 4/10.
Yeah.
It's real hard to jump.
I'm gonna put a 002 on.
I'll go 001 then.
Alright, you gonna need to.
You still want to put 40 bucks on it?
Nope.
Ah, damn it. I brought the wallet up here just for it, man.
Oh yeah?
all right, so between you
gonna
two,
try.
who drove further?
2.5 hours.
North Carolina? About an hour and a half.
All right, you're gonna call there.
Mike, what lane will he gets?
I'll do tails.
What you got?
Tails.
Behind you.
It's behind you. If y'all can see that from that far, goddamn.
It's in the damn crap.
Tails.
Hey, that's why you let him drive your car.
I'll take the right.
All right.
Yeah, good luck, man.
Good luck, man.
Close. Very close on the tree. I mean, we left side by side. That was the semifinals of the 11-0 class. We left side by side. Something happened to his truck. I don't know exactly what's going on because it was running some 1090s or some real low 11s. So he should be a really badass matchup for me. But something happened. We got lucky, you know. I'm interested to see how we chop the tree down.
Woo! Do you turn the air on?
You just gotta say.
It's still keeping the battery warm. I don't know. I'm sorry, bro. I was forced to do bad things.
Did you win the whole thing though?
Yeah.
I saw you fall.
See a screenshot of the finish line?
No, I haven't seen anything yet.
Screenshot.
It was close. It was close.
It was.
I know. Cause I was burping at half track so much. I was like, oh shit, he's coming. I was like, I better stay in it.
Burping
Yeah.
Tesla.
That's what I call it at least. Ooh, I'll take that. That's enough for me. I'm gonna shut up.
I was like, yeah. Even if I treed you, I would have lost.
Yeah, you would have broke out more. Yeah, that's the goal, man. The tree.